Wala, backflip, tita.
Feel mo? Feel mo na.
Boss! Pwede magtanong? Pwede magtanong?
Pwede po.
Salamat.
Ulam na nagtatapos sa DO.
Apritat.
Apretado.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Buntis ang iyong partner, pero hindi ka sigurado kung ikaw yung ama. Ano ang gagawin mo?
Ipa-x-ray ang bata
Pa-x-ray? Bakit?
para malaman ko kung ako ang ama.
If a person who sells flowers is called a florist, what about a person who sells fish?
Selfish.
Money aside, what do you need right now?
The money you just put aside.
What is the longest sentence in the world?
Life sentence?
Excuse me. Name a color that starts with the letter M. Don't answer, Mlu.
Ming?
What is your weakness as a man?
Nick Disease?
Sir, excuse me. What country has the most annoying people?
Where are you from?
Philippines. Have you ever been hurt
Yes.
emotionally?
No. Financially.
Bakit hindi mo ako hinabol nung araw na sinabi ko sa'yo, ayoko na. At magpahinga na muna tayo.
At sa tingin niyo po anong nagawa ni Presidente?
Ay, marami pa mula sa tatay, mula hanggang sa anak.
Acompanha com o bumbum esse potinho.